Hello everyone, today I want to demo how I build a CI/CD pipeline on Azure. So to start with, I will create a scaffolding to assist in performing continuous integration and continuous delivery. And then I will use GitHub Actions along with a Makefile, requirements file, and application code to perform an initial link, test, and install cycle. Lastly, I will integrate this project with Azure Pipelines to enable continuous delivery to Azure App Service. So to start with, I will push my code to GitHub, and then the change events will trigger the pipelines to run the task. A service connection must be established through Azure DevOps for Azure Pipelines and Azure App Service. So Azure Pipelines can run the task and deploy the web application to Azure App Service. So Azure App Service is actually a platform as a service. So we do not need to manage its operating system. It's like a black box local host, but hosted with Azure.